Hi, I'm Morgan. I'm the president of PRSSA, and today we just had our elevator pitch meeting. Thank you so much to everyone for being here, and hope to see you in the future.
Feeling sicker than you know. Kill the bird without a stone. Talk to throw a bone. For a while, just thinking like a bee. For curiosity, the Cadillac you see. Stranded on the carpet, head over the faucet. You're my alibi.
Hi, my name is Erica. I'm the membership ambassador for Public Relations Student Society. And what is PRSSA? Great question. Thank you for asking. PRSSA is a professional development club that focuses on your soft skills and also your network development. So, what is soft skills? Anything basically from communication, writing, strategic development, being able to transfer one skill to another place. So, in PRSSA, we teach you how to perfect your pitch, elevator pitch when you're talking to network professionals. We also teach you how to do your resume and your cover letter. And we also provide you with different workshop opportunities that will, like perfecting your pitch and your resume, that allow you to do that. I recommend joining PRSSA not only for the people, but for what you learn that is applicable outside of school.
Hey, what a way to start the day.